that this thing is. Welcome once again. Welcome to the International School of Traders. This is the Thursday live trading session. Let us go into the market, and I really want to show you guys what's really going on in the market and what are we looking at today. I'm gonna start off with the news that we're expecting today. Fundamental news. The most important one to look out for is the one that is happening actually in 14 minutes. The ECB, European Central Bank interest rate decision in 14 minutes from now. And then we do also have some other news at 2:30, initial job claims in the US. And then we do have also other news moving forward. Please excuse me. Please excuse me. Yeah, and natural gas storage and all these other news later on today. Now, let us go and look into what the market has for us today. Okay, let's see my... Cool. So today on the markets, there are a couple of things that I'm looking at, especially now. Something very significant is happening here on GBP JPY, and I'm thinking, you know what, there's probably we are very close to something looking more like this, right? On GBP, in Euro GBP, markets pushing further towards the top side, and then after that continue towards the downside. There are some very important levels towards the downside, which I'm thinking that we might even, catch. So in terms of the trade setup here and the perimeters, I believe having a stop loss just outside this area is gonna help. And then a take profit, which is a little bit lower than these, actually, to have a good ratio of at least 1:2.5, 1:2.7. Actually, this would be a good ratio. This is GBP JPY on a 1 hour time frame, and I'm gonna look at some other things as well. This is US30. I don't know how I ended up landing in US30. I don't usually analyze this, but I was expecting markets to actually push further down to these areas of US30 before taking off. That was the main idea, right? But no problem, no stress. Let's look at GBPUSD. GBPUSD is a trade that we took yesterday. If you are still holding, you should still be in profit, but I've already advised the guys, I've already advised everybody to take a profit at least at the 1:2 ratio, right? That is what we had. 1:2 ratio is what we had. We took profit. We're gonna see if we can take another trade, but this is what we had, and we took the profit on this particular trade just a few hours ago. We do have USD CAD that I'm eagerly waiting on. I'm just waiting for markets to push further towards the top side. I've already sent the signal to all the groups. What we're gonna look at here is just wait for markets to reach this desired point of interest, and then from there we are going to take sells towards the downside. I believe this is one of the trades today that could be, good trades. Euro USD is a trade that we spoke about a few days ago, since Monday, actually. So yesterday we had a sell around morning here, but market started breaking, towards the top side, and then pushed and broke, and hit our stop loss, right? Cool. And I said, listen, I'm gonna take more sells. Reason being, there was a sell limit order that I posted on Monday, if not Tuesday, to say that the market is expected to reach this area and come towards the downside. And yes, the market did go to this area, pushed a little bit further. It triggered another sell limit on my side, and then started going towards the downside. And we did close this trade. It advised to close this trade with profits early in the morning. it was a good trade. It was a good trade. So we're still gonna wait. Market can still push further towards the downside, but hey, who knows? Maybe the move is over. So we're just gonna wait and see for wait for other confirmations. ADSD, nothing much there. GBP, JPY, I've already discussed it. ADCHF, nothing much here. We are having a range on a 1 hour time frame in this market, right? We're having equal highs and equal lows in this particular case. Now, wherever the market exits is where we're gonna follow. But this is what I do believe in the next couple of hours is going to happen, right? This is gonna happen in the next couple of hours. Seeing market breaking towards the downside and then retest this area or even further, and then push towards the downside, right? I think this is a better way of looking at this trade in the near future. But nothing is confirmed as yet. We're just gonna watch and see what the market does, right? We do have CHF. But on this trade, I don't have anything. I don't wanna lie. I don't have anything on this trade to say that, hey, this is what's gonna happen. All I'm seeing is that we need to wait and see what the market is doing. At least we do have something lining up on NZD CAD, even though it's not yet confirmed, but we do have something lining up. We might be able to take a sell in the near future, but hey, the market has already moved towards the downside on this particular trade. So for me now, it is to wait and see what the trade, what does this trade or setup actually does, right? Some significant things that we can see here are the ones that we are going to use on this particular trade. Except for that, that's all that we have today. I am going to post this video on all groups, and I will see you guys on the next one. I can see Sipoma Kubu, my brother. I'm happy for you. This guy took a $62 account to $400, right? To $400. He was part of the bootcamp, I think, in April, if not March, and I'm really happy for him. You're gonna go live around 8. I'm gonna be having tonight. I'm gonna be having an online Forex masterclass. I'm only gonna go live on TikTok at 7 p.m. I'm gonna go live TikTok at 7 p.m. At 7:45. I'm gonna be live on. I'm gonna be live on Zoom. It's gonna be a Forex masterclass. This is something that is plugged on the link in my bio on all social media networks. Thank you so much for coming through. I will see you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.